Ready? Ready? 1, 2, ready? Ready? 1, ready?
Ulit, walang nakasalo.
1, 2, 3, go! Walang gusto mag-asawa. Iniyagan. Ulit daw. Ulit. Ano ba? Pag tinitik na, hindi ko mag-asawa.
Kailangan ko to. Mas kailangan ko to, Fresh. Yan. Sige, ya. Last time si Salvi nakasalo eh.
Kailangan walang maiyak. Talagang dapat maagaw, ha? Ang dapat talaga. Nagawa talaga, ha? Ang hindi makakaagaw, tatandang. Ang nagawa talaga, ha? Ang hindi makakaagaw, tatandang.
I've met the two of you in the mission field, and I saw how faithful the both of you are. And you're indeed very lucky to have each other. I saw how your friendship and your love developed, and I really admire your determination, your perseverance, and your patience. Because I know that you've been through a lot before the end of the year. So, please know that I'm always here for you. Kabalungan mo na. Friends jud ta. Rin, bisan nun sa'yo mahitabo, naaral jud ko para ninyo. Rin, proud jud ko ninyo dahil nakaabot mo diri. Ang pinaglaban niyo talaga yung love ninyo kahit na sobrang dami struggles. So, I've been with you through your struggles. Si Eddie, he contacted me to cheer up Hansen when she was so sad. And it was really sweet, and I knew that he would do anything for her. So I hope that you stand by that. Because if not, we'll be So, I know that Eddie is, he was a really good leader in the mission, and I know that you will become a good father to your future children. And Hansen, wala ko masasabi mo, so girl, okay lang sa si Hansen, sobrang masikaso yan, and I know that you will be a good mother then to your future children. And I hope that you have a big family. And and may utang ka sa akin sa kasal ko. Charot. Best wishes, and I love the both of you. Thank you.
Without using your hand. Any part of your hand you can use, but not your hindi ka talaga mag-English eh.
Bisayain mo.
Hey, let's go!
Binisaya god. Iya pala inverted ya.
Okay, ready, start.
Wait, July. We go at the same time.
Depende sa inyo, bahala kayo. Sige, any... kahit sino. Ay, ito na yung ano, bawal ko nga. Bawal mo nga. Nakita ko na agad, malupit kayo ha. Okay,
Go.
ready, set, go. Without answer.
You don't get
Ikaw, pwede ka rin magtanggal na rin, sir. O, baka magkapasa kayo, ha? O, sinigo na, ano, awin na mamaya. Aba, magaling, magaling. Pwede, nakikita ko lang yan. Wala, nag-aaway na. Alam mo na yan. Ayan po, tinatawag na couple dance. Dance po yan ng mga couple.
And you smile over your shoulder. For a minute I was so sober. I pulled you closer to my side.
Okay, sige, palakpakan mo.
And your eyes, you were still over.